Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 Cloud Silver Edition. Or as I'm calling it, the Silver Surfer. Now you can pick this up starting today at Samsung.com or at Best Buy. I'll throw the links up in the description. Now before I get started, I got to make a serious announcement. Shout out to Samsung. They doing it so big right now, it's incredible. Check this out. If you want the Galaxy Note 9, starting today up until November 3rd, Samsung is doubling your trade-in value. Let me say that again. If you want the Galaxy Note 9 from today until November 3rd, Samsung is going to double your trade-in value. So basically what that means is if you got a Galaxy Note 8 or a Galaxy S8 or S8 Plus, and yesterday you traded in into Samsung, they would have gave you $300. So the Galaxy Note 9, 128 gigs, that's $1,000 minus the 300, you're paying $700. That ain't bad. But check this out. From today until November 3rd, now if you trade in that same Galaxy Note or that S8 or S8 Plus, instead of 300, you're getting $600. The Galaxy Note 9, $1,000 minus 600, that means you're paying $400. Now, I had a conversation with Thanos this morning, and he told me that's the best deal in the universe for a Galaxy Note 9, brand new. All right, so y'all need to check that out. If you was on the fence, get off the fence. Now's the time. Get in the game. All right, so let's unbox this and see what it is. Now, I'm not going to waste your time going through the specs. I already did that in the unboxing video, and this ain't a review. We're just going to sit back and enjoy the color of the Silver Surfer. Shout out to White Shoes, back in the building. Here we go. Galaxy Note 9. Now, the official name is Cloud Silver. There's your silver S Pen on the box. They have another color, Midnight Black also. And it kind of looks like this. Here we go. Let that hype build up. Let's see. This is 128 gigs. Blah, blah, blah. Slide this open. Now, y'all see White Shoes back on deck? She already knows. This phone is White Shoes approved. Here we go. Galaxy Note 9. Now, before I take this out, I know, let the hype build up. That was one of my main gripes when I did my full review, is the color choices. Now we got a new color choice. Check this out. Okay, inside, let's see what you get. Here's your SIM ejection tool. You got your usual books and shit. Pluck them, file them to the side. Y'all ready for this? Bang! Woo! Woo, 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 woo. I know, I just scared Shoes off the table. Sorry, Shoes. Check this out. Rah. Let me peel this stick off for the real dramatic effect. Here it goes. Galaxy Note 9 Cloud Silver, aka the Silver Surfer. Look at the light reflect off of this. This is the best color right here. Now I would say copper is the second best. Then we go on with black. Then we go on Dr. Manhattan and Thanos. But right now, this is the one. Let's see on the front. Rah. Beautiful display. Let's power this up. Now this is a fingerprint magnet. Let's get one more wipe down. Let me do the smell test on this. Woo! This is that silver. This is one of them phones. This is official tissue. Let's see that S Pen. The silver S Pen. I'm too hyped. Let's see what else we get in the box. File lack. Of course, you got USB Type-C charging cable. You got your AKG headphones. You get some different ear tips for the headphones. You got a couple of replacement S Pen tips and your S Pen removal tool. You got your OTG. And you got your fast charging brick. Apple, pay attention. Fast charging brick. And that's pretty much it. So, quick color comparison. Let's get a wipe down. Let's get these nice and dramatic. Dr. Manhattan blue. Whew. Beautiful. Let's check out the Thanos. Let's wipe them down. The Thanos purple. And of course, the Cloud Silver, aka the Silver Surfer. Now, of course, one more thing I had to get. I can't have the Silver Surfer and just rock a silver surfboard all day. So we got the copper S Pen. Now it's going to run you about 40 bucks. This is the Bluetooth version. Let me just pop this open. Got a little unboxing knife. Rah. One more. Rah. Last one. Rah. Shout out to the Incredible Hulk. Let's see how this is going to look with the copper surfboard. Here we go. All right, so we just slap this in there. This is just if you want to look a little bit different. Pop that out. Now instead of silver, we got copper. All right, so let me pause the video real quick. I'll drop some of my information in, and then we'll test this S Pen out, and I'll show you a couple of dope cases you need to check out. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, just put my information in the phone. I got everything all set up, and my opinion hasn't changed from day one. The Galaxy Note 9 is the best phone out right now, period. The Galaxy Note 9 with the Galaxy Watch is the best phone and watch combo out right now, period. Now, there's a couple of things I wanted to show y'all. I know somebody's going to ask, what's the signature color for your screen write memo? Let's check that out real quick. So now we got the silver pen. Your screen write color is going to be light blue. Now with your Dr. Manhattan, you got yellow. With Thanos, you got purple. Now we got light blue. All right, so that's pretty dope. Now, let me show y'all some cases real quick. These are my favorites, not too many. Now, if you got the Dr. Manhattan, you need to go out and get the Spigen Neo Hybrid. The blue and yellow color. Check out the S Pen. Ooh, look at that match. This is a sick combo right here. All right, so we'll slap this one on, see what it looks like. Beautiful. Now, if you got the Thanos version, then you might want to check out the Spigen Tough Armor. Purple kickstand. Look at this color match. Beautiful. Slap this one on. Banging. All right, this looks tough. Now, there's a few different choices. I'll show you the two Spigen ones if you got the Silver Surfer. You can get the Neo Hybrid. Now, this ain't the best match, but it's silver and black. We'll slap that on. All right, that's going to look pretty dope. Or if you want to just go all black everything, get the Black Tough Armor. You can see a little bit of that adamantium silver underneath the case. I like that. Now, everybody's going to ask, what's that flash? That's flash notifications. All right, I'm not taking pictures. Flash notifications. You can access that through your accessibility functions. Now, if you want, you could just go clear, Tech 21. Matter of fact, let's do this right. Let's get a little wipe down. Try not to get any fingerprints on here. One more wipe down. Banging right here. Now, this is going to showcase that beautiful Silver Surfer silver. I know. And I think this would be my favorite case. Let me show it to you real quick. This is from VRS. Now, check this out. This is a hard shell, but it has silver trim going right around. Now, if y'all seen the case video, y'all remember I caught a little L. I scratched it, peeling the plastic off. Now that I got the silver, I'm going to order this one again. I'll slap it on just so y'all can see what it looks like. Swipe this one down. Cat hairs everywhere. One more wipe down. And this is how it's going to look. Now, this is going to look official tissue. You see that silver trim? Well, I'm definitely copping this one again. I think this is the one. Anyway, like I said earlier, if you was on the fence, get off the fence. You could get double your trade-in value. This is the time to get a Galaxy Note 9. $400 for 128 gigs if you trade in your Note 8, your S8, or your S8 Plus. Now, if you got an S7 or an S6 or older phones, instead of them giving you $200 for your S7 or your S6, now you're going to get $400. You cannot beat that. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about the Silver Surfer. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready, no meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energized.